time to play. We're learning design in a fun new way with Miss C and Cash. It's time to create, explore design in different ways. Are you ready? Let's go, friends. Hey, my friends, it's you again. I'm Miss C, and this is Design Elementary, where we learn, grow, and create together. Now, today's letter is special because it's the letter of my name, the first letter of my name. Can you guess what it is? Letter C, and C is for colors. Can you say it? Colors. Say it one more time. Colors. Now let's spell it together. C-O-L-O-R. Designers use colors to show feelings. Like red can feel like a strong or bold, blue can feel calm, and yellow can feel happy like sunshine. Yellow too, let's mix them up and make something new. Green and orange, purple delight, colors make our world so bright. Now let's mix red and yellow. What do you get? Orange. Good job. Other C words you might know are crayons, cup, cheer, berries, and Miss C, of course. Did you know colors can change how people feel when they look at them? Like, really. Designers use colors to help people feel safe, excited, or calm. And that's called color theory. Say with me, color theory. One more time, color theory. Good job. Now let's color our mood. Get your crayons or markers, pick one color that matches your feelings today, and draw a big heart. Now, write your name inside. Now that is called your design heart. Mix them up, make something new, be bold and bright, be you. Design Elementary, woohoo! Remember to subscribe and join the fun at Design Elementary. And parents, remember to download today's activity. And one more thing, don't forget, you are creative, you are solution, you have a really big mind, and you are God's gift to the earth. Until next time, bye.
Parents, we get it. It might be difficult to find fun and engaging activities for your little ones, but no worries, there's a solution. This is where creativity meets education, and it's called Design Elementary. My name is Miss C, and I'm so excited to have your little ones join me on a self-paced 8-week course that's perfect for 5 to 10-year-olds. And guess what? You can join as easy as ABC at. I can't wait to teach your little ones.